Everybody here, we back again. Then we got a second-hand transmission here, 5.4 liters transmission, good one. You guys see here, yeah, 5.4 liters, 4x4. Carlos, right here. You see that? 5.4 liters.
Oh yeah,
That's the right one.
that's the
We're
one.
good. So now, this is the F150 2010.
10?
We're gonna replace today that transmission. You're here. You guys see here? The new. Here's the transmission we're going to remove. Is this one here? And we're in action. Let's go. Let's get this done. F150 2010. It's a good truck, no bad. So we're gonna fix it. Back to work now. Gonna put this in. Hello, I'll be back again here with F150 2010. We're going to replace that transmission like you see there. We got a 5.4 liters transmission, 4x4.
Here's the transfer case.
Transfer case, this is the one that we're gonna put now. Transfer case. So this is the one we remove. Anyways, now we look at the transmission. That's the job we're doing today. Small quick fix. Very easy to remove your transmission. You remove all these harnesses, O2 sensors, remove the color converts, the exhaust. I remove it, I took it out. I removed the transfer case to make it easy. I put a car jack in there. And I removed the transfer case to make it less weight and heavy. Like that's easy to... Hello, we're back again here. So we finished removing the transmission now. Like you see, this one is the one we took out. That's the one in here we're gonna put on. We remove this one from the F150 2010. We're gonna put this one. The one that we removed this is the old one. This is the new one, second hand, but this is the one that we're gonna put here. I'll show you guys here. This is the F150. You see that there? Transmission is move ready. Easy job. Transmission replacement. 5.4 liters motor. And we're gonna do time belt as well. We're gonna do the time belt and what's up, boss? Transfer case as well. As you see here, F150 2010. Easy job. Put this on the side, right down. Finish tomorrow. Finish for today. Here's the other transfer case, the new one. Second hand, but that's the one we're gonna put there. That's the one came out of there. So, it's the big boss. Well, you got here now all the transmission we replaced lately. All this have been replaced by my hands. This is where we have in here, a bunch in the back in there too. So that's where we save them for recycle. Okay, we're back in here. So now this is the old one, ladies and gentlemen, transmission. So we're gonna put it now second hand, but it's working good. So now I'm gonna put it. You see that there? It's no transmission. Time to work on it. You're gonna do it with a car jack. You can do it at home in your garage. See, put 2 tires, put the car jack in the top, and we're going to use this big tool. This is the best fucking tool in the garage. Fucking asshole.
Best one. Best one
And we're
ever.
going to use this block wood in here. Bam! And we're gonna put the transmission on there. We're gonna pick it up, and me and him we're gonna level it where it's supposed to go. You see how we move this in here, put them on the side. Now they have enough space down there. Easy for you. We have to make sure that we're gonna hook up. You see, where's the piece here? Okay, we remove it. This is the old part. Anyways, but we have to go in there. You see this piece in there? You have to go right in the easy. Make sure you don't go hard on it. Okay, let's go, buddy. Let's get this done. Okay. So we're here now. This is the part. You gotta go in there. You see this little hole. So make sure, because if you don't go straight, you might fuck up the size. These corners, these ends, these ones. Make sure you go straight in the hole. Anyways, time to start working and doing this job. Pass me that transmission, buddy. Let's get this going.
Help me, it's heavy.
Yo, useless tool. This is my worst useless tool on the shop. This is F150 2010, 5.4 liters. Okay, so we back in here. So you see how I'm grabbing the, he's putting the car jack and a piece of wood there. And then we put 2 tires. That's the transmission we're gonna put on. Make sure, right there. Good, so now we're gonna put this transmission on top on here. Watch, guys, this video for anybody wanna do this for yourself. Tips how you do it. Thank you. So now it's on there. So before we tie the bolts, we have to go look in there. See if everything is going in properly. The way it's supposed to be going. Like everything in here. And like in the top is some and that. Okay. That's good. Esta cosita. Ya. Oh, ya. Necesito que la empuje la transmisión para adentro. Suave. O apriete suavecito. We need to tie them now slowly. Slowly with the gun.
¿Por qué no ponen los dos también? Los dos tornillos.
Primero metámosla.
No te vas a poner todos los tornillos.
No, primero metámosla. Primero fucking hook them up good in there. Don't. Porque es que no puedo poner, apretar todos los sonidos porque se acuerdan de los cositos esos que estaban ahí salió que usted sacó, donde queda afuera de la transmisión, like this, y usted apriete, rompea. So we have to make sure que los cositos entren allá, lo que usted quitó, que entren en el hueco. So let's tight couple first. A ver, pásame la de apretar allá eso aquí con una llave chiquitica, con una drill, boom, 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 boom. And action. No, pero con la air tool. Yeah, exacto. We're gonna do this in here. Now we're gonna tie it slowly, making sure that the dog is gonna go inside there properly every second. Something here is supposed to hook on the motor and the frame it, and if it doesn't go in properly, we're gonna fuck up in here. So you see the one in there, that one. So I'm gonna tie it slowly and see if it goes inside properly. We have to, same in the other side, there's one in there. So we're gonna do slowly tie them up till I know the inside, and after we'll tie everything up.